Hey, it's Ray the Video Guy, and if you're like me, you probably create a ton of videos. And if you do, you understand the power that sound has in those videos. And of course, a great sound effect can really enhance what you're trying to tell people. So what we've done is we've put together a great collection of free sound effects that you can download right now to start using in all of your video projects. All you have to do is scroll down the page and you'll be able to click the button at the bottom. And of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to use the chat button on the page, and we'll see you on the inside.